Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I just got a small haul today from Joann's and Tuesday morning. Let's see. Let's go with Joann's because I only got 3 things from Joann's. And I got these books right here. I got this This Happy Planner Memory Keepers sticker book. And I got this one because of the florals that are in here. And I see a lot of people doing spreads with, with the flowers and stuff. And I never had any of this. So that was one reason why I got this book. And I picked up this one, the Memory Keeper for the holidays. And we already know why. It's got some nice decorative stickers in here, as far as like this first page had, wasn't the first page, second page got these poinsettias and some pine or whatever you want to call them, holly stuff. Yeah, that's the reason why I got this. Besides, it's holiday themed, so that's good too. And I got these 2 regular priced, and you got one thing free, which I got these. I got these metal discs. These are the expander metal disc. So it's not the color that I wanted, but these were the only pack that I saw, and I think I need these. Oh, I'm going to need them soon because my planner is actually getting kind of full already. We're just in March, so that's one of the reasons why I got this. I may go back later on and see if they got the gold and the rose gold. Hopefully they have those when I go back the next time. And those were the little few items that I got at Joann's. And then I went to Tuesday morning. I've seen everybody hauling this shred right here, and I just thought it was cute. So I went on and got this shred and this iridescent shred right here to go with some of my projects during the craft fair in November. Yeah, I know. I just went on and got it right now while I had the chance. And I also picked up this same color iridescence in the sequence. Fat Mama, go to bed, please. That's my Fat Mama again. I picked up these 2 bucks. Okay, I'll get it later. Okay, and I got these 2. I got these 2 packs of bows. Hold on. Okay, I got these 2 packs of bows. These were the only 2 that I saw. And I'm actually looking forward to maybe making some paper clips with these. Some planner clips. And I saw this, I just could not pass it up. This is a die that does snowflakes, like snowflake trim. I just refuse to pass on this one. Let's see if I can get it out quickly. And the answer is no. But there it is right there. That's the trim that it cuts out. And I've seen a couple of people with this die, and I couldn't pass it up either. And what is this, a bag die? Yeah, paper bag envelope. And it has 3 pieces. I opened it up to make sure all 3 of the pieces are here. So I can't wait to use that. I got this thing right here because I want to try and do some cards with some mixed media. What is that stuff? That texture paste and all that? That's why I got this to try with that. Fat Mama. And the last thing I got, this is from Amazon. These are the magnetic sheets that I am going to be using to store my wafer dies, or my thin dies, or thinlets, whatever you want to call them. These metal things right here. I'm going to put these on here to store. There we go. Just like so. But I may have to get another book to put them in, because my other books are actually full, and I don't have one that holds this size. So I'm going to get a notebook and some sheet protectors and start putting my larger dies there. And I actually may need to get a book that holds 12 by 12 because I do have a couple of really long dies that I need to start to put in my storage system. Okay, guys, that's it for this evening. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs.